audiences, welcome to the Rehab Pro Physio Plus Health Network. Today we have a very special episode for you all. We wish you a happy International Yoga Day. Yoga is all about harmonizing your body with the soul, with your mind. It helps you to strengthen and relax your body. Step forward. The good is yet to begin. Firstly, before proceeding into yoga, you need to sit relaxed and then close your eyes and breathe in deeply and breathe out. While you do this, focus only on your breathing pattern. You will surely feel relaxed. In this pranayama, you need to close your nostrils alternatively and then take a deep breath and then breathe out. It will surely improve your oxygen in the blood, calms your nervous system, strengthens your respiratory system, and also relieves your headache, anxiety, and depression. In this asana, you need to stand with your feet closer, bring your hands forward as shown, and breathe in while you turn to one side and then come to neutral and exhale while you turn to the other side. It will surely make your muscles more flexible and supple, and it will help relieving you from constipation too. In this yogasana, you need to stand with your feet slightly apart, take your hands towards the ceiling in the prayer position and hold for a few seconds. It will stretch your sides of the body, spine, shoulder, armpits and belly. It improves digestion and also relieves anxiety and fatigue. In this asana, you need to sit with your legs stretched and then bend your knees and place it over the opposite thighs as shown in the video, and then relax. It will surely relax your mind and restore energy. It also improves digestion and posture. In this asana, come on to the quadruped position, then inhale while you raise the head and lower the spine, and exhale while lowering the head and raising the spine. Repeat it for about 5 to 10 times. It will surely make your spine flexible, and it stretches and strengthens your spine too. In this asana, you need to lift your back, then lift your legs up to 45 degrees and then stretch your arms out towards your knee, and then hold the position for a few seconds and then lower your legs, heads and hands. In this asana, lie on your back with feet together and hands under your hips. Move your chest up, making an arch as shown in the video. Hold for about 5 to 10 seconds. It will surely relieve respiratory problems and also stretches your spine and neck area. In this asana, stand with both the feet closer and bend from hip joint and lock your back. Bend further and try to grab your big toe with the help of your finger. And then look up while you inhale and exhale while you look down. Do it for 30 seconds. It will surely calm your brain and relieve stress and anxiety, stimulates liver and kidneys, improves digestion and many more. If you are a beginner, slightly bend your knees and do this asana. In this asana, stand with your feet apart, then put your hands on the waist and bend forward. Then inhale while you look up and exhale while you look down. Then place your hands on the floor and breathe normally and continuously. Now, after performing all the asanas, relax your body. Practice this asana every day. It will release your stress and can improve your sense of physical and emotional well-being.